Ka Sorkar jela kalashim ya karai ban siang rong thma ya baroh ki surok ba kongsan hakaling ki jaka jong ka sor Shillong. Haba pentip ya kani hak arpesan tarik urisau, usembut menteri rangba ubakmi ya katenat transport ubak senga bahalang dhar uloong. Katenat PWD kalapen kre ya kajing mang pisa na kabenta ban siang rong thma ya baroh ki surok ki ba kongsan ha sor Shillong, kenang bangin yo ya ki surok ki babha bat pensuk hakalit kawan. Kani ka jingshim rai kalawan long ru hadin baka Sorkar kala rai ban penteri kam satya ya ka smart road hapo jong project smart city hadin balasham bakam long satya ka bayaham. Kani ka deka smart city phase 2 balai bangila pensange no na markidon kattu kani ki jing kani ka project kan amla banya shakman. Hendrei ha ka jaka jong kani ngila persyang ban bujli na ka Sorkar jela da ka bapen thmai da ka basyang rong ya baroh ki surok ki bakot kumba salpo hadu sanpo kilometer ha ki jaka sor uloong. Nalor kata uba senga bahalang upen tip ru ba unsa panjing tip na ki ofisar halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka smart road ka bapulam hala chumer batlano ansa pleno na ka benta ka jing pendan kam jong ki pat ba.
We are in the process of improving everything. Don't worry, it will fall into place. Everything. Don't worry. Be patient with us.
So a lot of problems
That is the reason problem with the smart road. I already informed before, and the pothole the PWD will take care of it. Now, from PWD department, not from smart city. Now, they have prepared an estimate to resurface almost all the important road within the city. We'll get a good road. No, that is the smart city phase 2. Abandoned already. So why we abandoned, there is some complicated phasing, so the project cannot go ahead. And in place of that, we are trying to replace from the state government only a fresh resurfacing road, almost 14 or 50 kilometers within the city properly. I have to update from the officer what is the present status. I have to update from the officer.